In this video, we will enter perio findings on the patient periodontal chart. Note, our patient's name will be displayed on the title bar. We start by selecting the new icon to create a new chart. I will use the optional number pad to enter pocket depths. We have decided to display measurements over 4 millimeters in red and to default all MGJ values to 3. For this video, I will just complete the upper right quadrant before moving to the next line of measurement. I will now chart free gingival margin values. The clinical attachment level is automatically calculated and optionally drawn. Note, at any point during the charting, bleeding may be indicated on any of the 3 points of a tooth by double-clicking above the root drawing. I will indicate furcation by clicking on the detail box of the tooth. Other condition indicators can be set per tooth. In addition, overall exam conditions may also be recorded and will be included on the printed perio chart. Even though the charting is not completed, I will now save the chart so that I can show an example of what the printed chart will look like.